Aloha! It's time to get to know another Kauai condo. Here we go. Let's talk about Banyan Harbor Condos, centrally located in Lihue. These units have full kitchens, open living areas. The complex offers 1 and 2 bedroom floor plans, and there are also numerous floor plans for the 2 bedroom units. Each unit has either a garden, ocean, or some sort of greenspan view. There is the historical namesake Banyan Harbor tree located on the property. Amenities include a beautiful swimming pool, barbecue area, and other playful outdoor activities. It's walking distance or a short drive to the beach. That's your Banyan Harbor Condo Minute.